Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back. I thought we could go ahead and do a PR haul. I do not do these very often. It's not meant to be braggy at all. The reason I love doing these specifically is because I feel like I can get a lot of feedback from y'all of what you want to see on my channel, which of these products you're interested in. And this was unplanned, but I went to my P.O. box today, which I've been kind of bad about going to. I opened up the box and there was like 8 packages. So I was like, okay, you know what, let's just go ahead and unbox it together. Normally, I have no patience. I could not have let these sit without opening them. But we've got that. We've got a new collection from Gallardo, which is super exciting / very hard to hold up for a thumbnail because it is so heavy. But I figured we'd just go ahead, go through everything. I do have one thing that I ordered myself, which we'll get to, but almost everything in this video is PR, so just letting you know off the bat, if you don't like that, feel free to skip this video, but I think it'll still be a good time. And like I said, let me know your comments down below. I have a few different indie brands here that I have not tried before, so I would be super happy to hear whether you want to see them on my channel or not, what I should invest my time in. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So I'm just grabbing randomly. First, I have this box here that says it's from What's Up Beauty. I have not tried anything from them, but they did reach out to me and I gave their site just a little look and I thought that the products seemed nice. So I think this is probably one of the things I'm most excited about, but some of these boxes, I don't even know what's in them. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the What's Up Beauty Desert Monsoon. I think that's how you pronounce that. I believe this is an eyeshadow palette. Packaging is super cute. Oh wow, looks very cool. Here is what that palette looks like. I do like it. I feel like the shimmers look really, really pretty. I mean, I feel like it looks like it has a good texture to it, but we'll have to try. Sun and Succulent are calling to me the most. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, I'm dropping things, but I believe that they have a bunch of nail polishes that are just inspired by that collection. So I'm not sure. Oh yeah, they are the same names. This one's called Succulent. It's a really pretty purple. And then, I don't know, oh, that's so pretty too. Desert Rose. It's kind of like a champagne-y, nude-looking shade. There is Downpour, which is a really pretty blue. Sun, which is such a stunning green. I feel like I have to do that on my nails next. That's so pretty. We've got Tempest, which I think is like kind of like a purple matte, like burgundy-ish shade. And then we have Joshua Tree, which is like that cool toned light brown. So that's super cool. I love like the idea of an eyeshadow palette with nail polishes, and my nails are looking a little sketchy. So yeah, I mean, I'm torn between doing Succulent and Sun, those two shades. I love them as nail polish and eyeshadow. Oh gosh, okay, so there's another nail polish in here. I think this is the same shade. I don't know if they accidentally gave me 2, but here is Desert Rose. It's so cute. I'm sure I'm probably gonna pass that on to one of my sisters because I know they'll like it, but it has like that pretty like green shift. That one's beautiful as well. I'm actually very excited because I only have a few indie nail polishes and I've been trying to get more into it. This one is Polish for Days, that's the brand. But then also there are some eye makeup brushes as well. So let me know, do you guys want to see like a full review, or you want me to try some of the nail polishes, come back, let you know what I think about them. So thank you to What's Up Beauty. Now we can go ahead and do the Tribe Beauty box. I'm not sure which month this is for yet, but I figured we could just unbox it here real quick instead of doing a separate video because those don't really seem to do all that well on my channel. So maybe it'll be just like a nice little addition in here. Okay, so here's what it looks like right off the bat. I see some brands that I know I like. We first have the Starlit palette from Gerard Cosmetics. So this has 3 different highlighters in it. So this lightest one, Grace, I do like and I do own by itself already. So I feel like I'm probably going to pass this on again to my little sister. She's getting more into makeup recently. So I'm like putting more and more stuff aside for her, which is exciting because I love to be able to get rid of things that I'm not using. We also have 2 products here from Ico. So there is a brow gel. It says our tinted brow booster. I don't know what color that's going to be. It doesn't seem to have a color on it, but I mean, I would definitely give it a try if it's not too dark for me. And then there's also a travel size skinny liquid eyeliner. I actually just got a liquid eyeliner from, it's the Hero line from Hindash. So I'm going to pass that along to my little sister, but I will try the brow gel once I open it to see what the color is. We've got the Stuva Beauty UV Primaries palette. So this is one of those like a little hydro liner palettes. Again, something I'll probably pass on just because I think I have 2 of these already from Midas Cosmetics, and I just don't seem to use liners like this all that much. I did have some from Suva as well, and they're nice. I had some singles, but I like never reached for them. And one of the things that I don't like about hydro liners is that you can't really use them in your waterline, especially if you have contacts. It's just kind of a recipe for disaster, and I use liner in my waterline the most, especially when it comes to fun colors. So that makes it like a little bit less useful just for my personal taste. Okay, we've got something from Karma Co. Ooh, this is a lip mask, a vanilla lip mask. I'm about it. I feel like I have so many lip masks, but I just cannot, I can't not try every single one. It has a vanilla scent to it, but it's so subtle, it's not even funny. Okay, I have lip product on, or else I would try it, but I will definitely give that a chance. I have not heard of Karma Co before. And then lastly, in this little box, there is a microfiber hair towel wrap. Oh, I love these. I actually have one, but it's kind of gotten a little bit old. I got it from Walmart years ago, and I feel like it's like time to let it go. And this one's so cute, and it's purple. Oh, I love these. Okay, so you put it on like this. You do all your hair in it. You do. Anyways, yeah, I will definitely be using that. I'm excited. So again, thank you to Try Beauty Box. If you're not familiar with them, they are I just dropped that. They're a subscription box for indie companies mostly. I feel like you see a lot of smaller brands in their boxes. They do it bi-monthly, and I believe it's like $30, something around that, every 2 months. I guess I can go ahead and show you what I purchased really quickly. I just have a small order from Sephora. So here is everything that's in my order, just this one. I wish they would have a smaller box because I feel like that's just kind of excessive, but this is the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Foundation. I got the lightest shade, which is 1P, which is, I believe, cool toned, and I don't prefer that. But the next shade up, I can't remember, I think it was more neutral, but it just looked like it was gonna be too dark for me. So I'm excited about this. It says that it is a skin-loving skincare hybrid foundation with medium buildable coverage. Very similar to a lot of things I've been liking recently. I feel like it kind of has like similar claims to the Kosas foundation, which I've been loving. So yeah, I'll be curious to try it out and see how I feel. Let's just look at the color real quick. Hopefully it works. Ooh, the bottle's super pretty. The color actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look super pink. So I feel like I plan on doing like a full video on that, like a lightest shade, full day wear test and everything. So stay tuned for that. Next we have a package here from Raw Indulgence. I'm not sure what that is. Kind of hoping that it's food, but it's probably not gonna be. Oh, it is food. Oh, I don't get food. I'm so confused. Okay. So it's Raw Rev. Join us on social media. $10 off your next order, 40 or more. Use code 10 off. I don't know. I've never heard anything about this brand, but it looks like it's all a bunch of protein bars. Low-key feel like my boyfriend is about to steal all of these. There is peanut butter and dark chocolate and sea salt. That sounds kind of good. There is double chocolate brownie batter, and then creamy peanut butter and sea salt. Okay, next I have a package here from Fantasy Cosmetica, and they are a brand new indie brand. They just launched their very first palette, and they asked me if I would like to try it. The owner was really sweet. She sent over an email and said that she's been watching my videos for a few years, and she was excited to send it to me. So I'm hoping that I like it. Here is what the palette looks like. So I don't know if you can see, it's kind of really dark, but there's like a little bear, there's a girl, and it says it is the Druid palette. So here's what it looks like. I mean, the textures look really pretty. It looks kind of similar to like its Belle, Adept kind of shimmers. They look super textured, but it's definitely a very grungy color story. The only thing is, looking at this palette, immediately I feel like the shade Root and the shade Old Growth look like such similar shades. They seem too similar to me to be in such a small palette, but the shimmers look stunning. I really like both of these mattes right here, so let me know, do you guys want to see a full video? Again, I'll show you up close. I mean, that shimmer is just so pretty. So thank you to Fantasy Cosmetica. I will have everything linked down below. Okay, next, this package is from Reza Beauty. Even though this is in like a little tiny envelope, it's actually packaged really well. There's cardboard in here. Okay, so there's some like little like jewels, and then there is a palette here, which I am not familiar with. I have no idea what this is gonna look like, but it is the Reza Beauty. Oh, Reza, like to pray, Rezar. Looks like they're praying. Artistry palette, and it is the Sweet Tragedy Volume 1. So it is a coffin, and gosh, I don't think any of these are pressed glitters, but there's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Here's the other side. I mean, definitely an interesting eyeshadow palette. Again, y'all will have to let me know if you want to see a review. I mean, this is not my favorite packaging as far as like the lid coming completely off, but I guess that is kind of cool. Like if you were traveling with this, you could do your makeup, and the mirror is actually really nice. In fact, I have a fuzzy in my hair, but I feel like you can see really, really well. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is last but not least. I've got a package from Kaleidos. I low-key feel like this took forever to come, but I'm still so excited about this collection because I feel like it is so me. I'm not kidding. This is literally the prettiest PR box ever. It is so cute. I love the purple and black, and the lace on top. It's so pretty, and it feels so sturdy. I love this because I feel like if you did want to purchase the PR box, it is so nice. And I feel like a lot of other brands, it's like, oh, purchase the PR box, but then the PR box is literally just a box that you throw away, or like it's just like a really big like cardboard box. Like it doesn't really have a purpose. But this, I feel like automatic jewelry box, like it's just so cute. So I'm just gonna unwrap all this stuff real quick just to show you. There are 2 eyeshadow palettes in this collection, and I'm so excited about one of them. I mean, they both look nice, but there's a cool tone one. This one right here, Black Jasmine. Oh, the packaging is so cool too. And this palette, this color story. I mean, it literally looks exactly like the Natasha Denona mini Xenon palette. Is that the one? The one I love that's like black and gray? Oh, it's actually right here. I mean, I feel like those look so similar. Would you guys want a comparison? I feel like I could do that super easy. Like, which is better? Because I think the price point's kind of similar, but the packaging on the Kaleidos is so much cooler. Just to show you really quickly, here is the more brown one. Again, super cute. So in the next drawer, there is one of the little lip vaults, which low-key, I feel like I'm drowning in these because they have released so many lip products, but they also came out with some new blushes. So the packaging on these, again, so cute. I don't know, I love it. I feel like it was kind of different for Kaleidos, but at the same time, I appreciate it. And I feel like all the blushes in this collection are also pretty unique. So we've got 4 more blushes in the bottom drawer. I'm not gonna go through every single one right now, but just let me know if you guys wanna see a full video on this entire collection. Oh, I just really hit myself in the face hard with that corner. Hey y'all, I think that is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.